Howard Jeffrey, been here almost a year and a half. I'm the landscape division manager. And today we're going to talk about the spring and fall cleanups. So when you get to the job site, we're going to knock on the door, we're going to greet the customer. But we always want to greet the customer, make contact with them, introduce ourselves to them so they kind of get a personal relation with us. Next thing we're going to do, we're going to go over the job notes, maybe just a brief description to the homeowner. Hey, here's what we're here to do today. Sometimes the customer will say, hey, there's this little area in the back, or they'll point out little things that they saw. Kind of take the crew, walk the site, a quick visual, get what the things look like. In this process, obviously we're going to cut back any perennials that haven't been cut back from the previous visits. Any annuals that are left in the ground over the winter and they're dead, it's pretty obvious they're dead, they're brown, so we want to remove that kind of stuff. We want to make sure that we're checking for window wells. Make sure the debris is out of those. Get leaves, we're looking for leaves, we're looking for sticks. Sometimes there's papers that blown in. We want to make sure that site is, all those little things are clean. Planters, we'll make sure we get those planters that are in the back porches, front porches. Any things that have been left in there, remove those, get them ready for new seasonal color coming in. Make sure we're getting the leaves out from the base of the shrubs. Take our backpack blowers and just kind of clean up, mostly after the landscape beds. So blow them out in the yard, rake them up, haul them away. Once you're done, give a quick walk around, make sure we didn't miss anything, make sure our tools are picked up, blow off the drive and the walks, clean any debris that might have been tracked across those areas. At this time, if you're all done, just reach out to the customer, knock on the door, greet them again, say, hey, we're done. Did you see anything maybe we missed? Kind of run through what was done and thank them and move on. And as you're leaving, hang a door flyer so people can see what we did. Maybe they'll hire us.
Gosh, there's so many things that I enjoy about working here. I'm going to say, first of all, our culture.
There's no other place like this place.
You don't ever hate coming to work,
They truly care and invest in their employees and develop them to where they're better people. We're better people because we've come to work here.
They're very family-based, very respectful of personal time, family time. They love you as an employee, and not only as an employee, but at home.
They bring you up, they lift you up, they want to make sure that you're doing good and fit, and then, if you're not doing good in that category, they're going to try and put you somewhere else to see that you're giving your best effort and giving a quality effort at this job.
Very accommodative, especially, we're a Christian company, so they're very open about allowing us to express our faith, evangelize to other employees, to customers, whatever. We don't get in trouble for that. And I love that, and it's cool to be able to have little moments with other employees or even clients where you can pray with them and such.
I really like my job. I've been turning wrenches all my life, and it's a good group of people. It's unlike any place I've worked before.